Hello everybody, welcome to PMN Online. Here I will show you how to add a blog to your Gumroad storefront. Adding a blog to your Gumroad storefront can be a game changer for your online presence. It allows you to connect more deeply with your audience, share valuable content, and drive more traffic to your products. But getting started might feel a bit daunting if you're new to the Gumroad platform. Don't worry though, because today I'll guide you through each step in the process, making it as easy and straightforward as possible. To kick things off, the first step is to go to your Gumroad Creator Dashboard. Once you're there, log in using your credentials. This dashboard is your control center, where you can manage everything related to your Gumroad account. After logging in, locate your profile settings, which is essentially your creator profile page. This is where you have the power to customize how your storefront appears to the public. Now, within those profile settings, keep an eye out for the section labeled Pages and Sections. This is a crucial area because it's where you'll be building the page that will host your blog. To create a dedicated space for your blog, navigate to the Pages tab and click on the option labeled New Page. Give this new page a straightforward name like Blog to keep things clear and organized, then open it up for editing. On this newly created blog page, you'll want to add a post section. This is the feature that will pull your articles onto the page, displaying them in a clean and organized layout. It's also a great idea to add a text section while you're here. This can be used to introduce your blog, explain who it's for, or highlight some featured topics that you'll be covering. If your goal is to expand your audience, consider adding a subscribe section. This allows visitors to join your email list directly from your blog page, which is invaluable for building a loyal following. When setting up your layout, simplicity is key. Start with a basic structure, as you can always rearrange and refine the sections later on. Now comes the exciting part. It's time to write. Use Gumroad's built-in post feature to create your blog articles. As you compose each post, make sure to select the option to post to profile. This ensures your articles show up on your storefront and are included in the post section you added earlier. Each blog post you create will have its own unique URL. This is perfect for sharing on social media platforms, linking in emails, or referencing from other pages on your site. Before going live, take some time to customize the appearance to align with your brand. Head back to profile settings and adjust the fonts, colors, and layout to match your visual style. Preview your changes and ensure the post section is visible on the page you created. Make sure to check your page's appearance on both desktop and mobile devices. This is important to confirm that titles, images, and spacing look just right across all platforms. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, go ahead and publish your changes. Your blog page will now be live, with your posts displayed on your storefront, ready for your audience to read. To build momentum and drive traffic, consider sharing the blog page link and individual post URLs with your audience. You might also want to reference these posts in your product descriptions or updates, as this can help drive visitors back to your storefront. And that's it. You've successfully set up a clean and branded blog within your Gumroad storefront, created posts that appear on your profile, and published your page. Your customers can now start reading and engaging with your content. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you with how to add a blog to your Gumroad storefront, subscribe to PMN Online for more easy-to-follow tutorials.